Lancia in the 1940s, from war to Renaissance, the 1940s. A decade when Europe burned and innovation paused. But beneath the ruins, in silent workshops, a sleeping lion waited. This is the story of Lancia in the 1940s, a tale of war, resistance, and quiet rebirth. When Italy joined World War II, civilian production came to a halt. Lancia, like many automakers, turned to the war effort. But it did so in its own way, elegant, efficient, and precise. Lancia's factories shifted to producing military vehicles. Notably the Lancia 3-row, a rugged workhorse of the Italian army. The 3-row became Italy's logistical backbone in North Africa and beyond. Lancia 3-row a technical specs, engine, 4.9 to 5.2 L diesel i5. Power, 70 to 95 horsepower. Max speed, approximately 60 km per hour. Payload, 6 to 7 tons. Use, troop transport, artillery towing, logistic, reliable, powerful, and easy to repair. The 3-row became Italy's logistical backbone in North Africa and beyond. Civilians in silence, the Aprilia and Ardea. Even in wartime, the heartbeat of innovation never ceased. Lancia's engineers quietly refined to masterpieces. Lancia Aprilia 1937 to 1949. Even in wartime, the heartbeat of innovation never ceased. Lancia's engineers quietly refined to masterpieces. Lancia Aprilia 1937 to 1949. Engine, 1.5 L narrow-angle V4. Power, 48 horsepower. Top speed, 130 km per hour. Features, 4-wheel independent suspension, aerodynamic body tested in wind tunnel. Legacy, among the most advanced cars of its era. With its fluid design and whisper-quiet ride. The Aprilia was more than a car, it was an aerodynamic revolution. Lancia Ardea 1939 to 1953. Engine, 0.9 liters V4. Power, 28 to 30 horsepower. Top speed, approximately 100 km per hour. Transmission, first mass-produced car with a 5-speed manual gearbox. Compact and economical, small, nimble, and engineered with precision. The Ardea proved that even in war, innovation marched forward. 1945, the war ends, rebirth begins. In 1945, the guns fell silent. But Italy's wounds were deep, its factories in ruins, and yet, from the ashes, Johnny Lancia, the founder's young son, stepped forward. At just 21, he took over the company, with ambition far beyond his years. With limited resources, Lancia resumed production. The Aprilia returned, the Ardea evolved. Italy was rebuilding, and Lancia was driving the Renaissance. The 1940s were not years of expansion. They were years of survival, of resilience, and of a silent promise: we will return stronger. And that promise would be fulfilled in the very next decade. With a name destined to change everything, Pu+Ra.